So first one is A intersect B, which is the overlap where we've got both the area contained in both A and B. Union, on the other hand, is where we have everything that's in A combined with everything that's in B. So intersect is what has to be in both, and union can be in either of them or in both. The dash symbol means the complement, means everything that's not in A. So we want to go around the outside of set A. And it doesn't matter whether we've got things inside B or things outside B. We're not interested in B at all. It's purely that we are not inside A. When we do an intersect diagram, we need to think about the two regions first before we do any colouring. So we want it to be inside A, but at the same time not inside B. So on this diagram it needs to be inside the A circle, but at the same time not inside the B circle, which can only be this part here. So that's A intersect B dashed. If we have something in brackets, then we deal with what's inside the brackets first and then apply. So inside the brackets I've got A intersect B, which we know is the overlap, and then we've got a dash. So it's everything apart from that overlap. So I want that overlap to stay white, while at the same time I colour in the rest of the diagram. Similarly, this next one, first of all I want to think about what A union B is, which is all of the A and B circles, and then apply the dash, which is everything on the outside of it. So it's everything on the outside of the two circles. Now there is a law that says we can get rid of the brackets, and when we get rid of the brackets, the dash goes on both letters, and if it was an intersection it becomes a union. So this shading is the same as A dashed union B dashed. So we've coloured in all that's outside of A, and we've also coloured in all that's outside of B, and we end up with the same shading. We apply the same rule to this diagram, so both letters get the dash, and then the union becomes an intersect. So this is saying what's outside of A whilst at the same time being outside of B. So it can't be this region here, because although that's outside of A, it's not at the same time outside of B, which is why it's only the very outside.